triangular pyramid, and the base area, so let me calculate the total area. The base area is equal to 16 centimeters square. This is the base, and I have each face has an area of 9 centimeters squares, and I have three faces here: this front face, right side face, and left side face. So I just need to multiply 3 by 9. That is equal to 16 plus 27, which makes 43. We have a square pyramid with base lengths equal to 12 and 12. What they're asking me is the base area here, the area of the square, actually nothing else. So that area is the square root of 12, which is equal to 144. The base area here is given as 225. If one side of is equal to a, then a square is equal to 225. So what I need is a, that is equal to the square root of 225, which is equal to 15. Question, I'm asked about the square base area again. So what I have is 16 times 16, 16 square, which is equal to 256. In the fifth question, I'm asked about the surface area of the pyramid, so I need to find out the area of the triangle too. Now, I know that this is 16, so this must be equal to 8. From the point K to this side must be equal to 8. So what I need to find out is the height of this triangle. Here is 6, here is, here is 6, and here is 8. So what I need to find, this is going to be this K, what is the name of this point? A. K, let me say here, M point. AKM triangle is a right triangle, therefore AM square is equal to the point M is my given name, is equal to 6 square plus 8 squared. Then this is equal to 100. So AM is equal to 10. So this here is equal to 10. And the base is equal to 16. So the area of the triangle is equal to 10 times 16 over 2. And I have 4 of these triangles. So the total area is equal to the area of the square plus 4 times the area of the triangles. So what I have is 256. I had already calculated, plus 4 times 10 times 16 over 2. That is equal to, this is 2, 160, this is 320. So what I have is 256 plus 320. That is equal to 576. The area of this pyramid is equal to area of the square plus area of the triangle times 4, since we have 4 triangles. The area of the square is equal to, I know that AB is equal to BC, and that is equal to 6, so that is 6 square plus 4 times the area of the triangle. The base is equal to 6, and the height EK is given as 8 divided by 2. Then this is equal to 36 here, plus, when I simplify, this is going to be 2, and we have 16 times 12 times 8, which is equal to 36 plus, this is equal to 6 plus 6 is 12, and this is equal to 132. Another similar question. Let's call each side of the base as A and the height of the triangle as H. So the area would be equal to A square plus 4 times the area of the triangle, which is equal to A times H over 2. So I can write it as, simply I can write it as, in the parentheses of A, I can write it as A plus 2H. Let's calculate it this way now. I found the formula out. A is equal to BC or AB, that is equal to 4. 4 times 4 plus 2 times 5, that is equal to 4 times 14, which is equal to 56. The formula that we proved in the previous question. For this time, A is equal to 9 now, and 9 times 9 plus H is equal to 12, so 2H is equal to 24. So what I have is 9 times 33 now, and that is equal to 297. When I cut this cone, what I have for the area would be a triangle and a circle surrounding it. So a triangle surrounding the circle. So the base of this triangle would be equal to the perimeter of the circle. So this base is equal to 2 pi r. And the area and the height is the height that we have, 8. This is going to be 8. So the area would be equal to the area of the circle plus the area of the triangle, which would be equal to the area of the circle is pi r square, and the area of the circle, the triangle, is 2 pi r times 8 over 2. So these two cancel each other out. So what I have is, in the pi r parentheses, what I have is r plus h. Now let's place the values. What I have is pi times r is equal to 4 times 4 plus 8. That is equal to 4 times 12 times pi. That is equal to 48 pi. In this question, I'm given the diameter rather than radius. So radius is equal to 10 over 2. That is 5. Let's apply that. The area will be equal to 5 times pi times 5 plus 13. That is equal to 18 times 5 times pi, which is equal to 90 pi. For this figure, I'm given the diameter again. So the radius is half of it. That is 6. So this is equal to 6 pi times 6 plus 16. That is equal to 22 times 6 times pi, and that is equal to 132 pi. Since AB, the diameter is equal to 24, what I need is the radius. So I just need it to divide it into 2, so I can find KB. That is equal to 24 over 2. That is equal to 12. What I need to find out is CB, and we have a right triangle here. Therefore, KB square plus CK square is equal to CB square. What I have is 12 here, KB, and what I have is 5 for CK, and that gives me CB square. So what I need to find is just the square root of 144 plus 25, that is 169. So CB is equal to square root of this, which is equal to 13.